Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about baking soda, and I have a list of ways that you can use baking soda around the house. Now there's a long list here and I've broken it up into two parts, so this is part one. If you're one who likes to use air fresheners, you can make your own chemical-free air freshener with baking soda. Take a small jar, add about 1/3 of a cup of baking soda to it, and then add 10 to 15 drops of your favorite air freshener. You want to stir that up really well to blend the two, and then cover it with a decorative cloth of some sort. Tie it with a nice little string or a piece of twine or a ribbon or something like that, and then place it wherever you want to place it. That will help to freshen up your home. And when the aroma tends to die down a little bit, just give it a little bit of shake, and after a while, if you want to add more drops of essential oil, go for it. You can use baking soda to help whiten your laundry. Add about 1/2 cup of baking soda to your washer along with your usual laundry detergent. It can help to remove stains on your clothes as well, and it will also help to soften the water, and it might help you to use a little bit less laundry detergent along the way. Baking soda can be used as a multi-purpose cleaner in the bathroom. You can make a paste with baking soda and a little bit of water and apply it to your sink, tiles, bathtubs, and even your showers, and use a sponge to apply the paste, or even a soft cloth, nothing abrasive here, and just rub it on the area. And then you can allow it to sit for 15-20 minutes or so, and then wipe it down and rinse it off well. Use a damp cloth to do that with. Again, nothing abrasive, and that will help to get soap scum and that sort of thing off. And I do this all the time. It really does work. You can use baking soda to help clean your toilet bowl in the bathroom. Just sprinkle a little bit of baking soda in the bowl and scrub with a toilet brush as normal. If there are stains in the toilet bowl, you can add 1/2 cup of baking soda in there, and then carefully pour 1/2 cup of white vinegar in there. Scrub with a toilet brush and flush, but you do want to be careful because you do know that that's going to bubble up some, so you want to be careful not to let it splash on you along the way. But again, just scrub it with a toilet brush as normal and then flush it away and it should be fine. If you have perspiration stains on shirts and you're not sure what to do with them, how to get them off, you can make a paste with baking soda and water. Rub it on that area really well, allow it to sit for about an hour, and then wash your laundry as usual, and it should help to take that off. Here's one that may happen in the summertime more than we care for it. If you accidentally spill a little bit of gasoline on your clothes, you can remove the odor by taking those clothes, putting them in a garbage bag, and sprinkling them with a lot of baking soda, and then just close up the bag and allow it to sit there for just a few days, and then take them out, shake them, and then put them in the laundry as usual, and that should help to get that gasoline odor out of there. Now, if it's winter time and you're out of ice melt and you've got some ice out there, you can sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on the ice and it will help it to melt. Now, we do know that rock salt can do some damage outside, but baking soda will not do any harm to your concrete or anything like that. I wouldn't sprinkle it on your grass so much because of the sodium that's in there, but on your concrete or asphalt it should be okay. Well, stay tuned for part 2. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.